It is a fabulous looking Saturday. Surprise, surprise, I didn't go to the gym today because like it was not the day. I'm like not feeling it today at all. I'm going to my friend's birthday dinner tonight and I'm gonna go food shopping first. Right when I come back, I'm going to start getting ready to go to my friend's birthday dinner. So this is my off day / get ready with me type video because I didn't work out and I'm not going to work out today. Alright, so let me show you what I got from the grocery store real quick.
I mean, some shake, you know. It's valid, baby. I'm gonna make some shake. Make some shake. I'm gonna make some shake. Bitch, I'm gonna make some shake. Watch out, make some shake. I'm gonna make some shake. Make some shake. Bitch, I'm gonna make some. Don't pull up at 6 a.m. Anything you guys want in the store is free. So grab whatever you guys want. I don't wanna die for them to miss me.
Alright, so I just put my contacts in. Now I'm gonna do my makeup. I really don't even know how to do makeup, so this is gonna be a struggle. Some music too. This is as good as it's gonna get. Oh my gosh. And so are my boobs. All that damn Vaseline I put on. So this is the best I could do with my face. Oh my gosh, I got this pierced the day before my birthday and the piercing came out like earlier today. I didn't even realize, so I just stuck that earring in. Thank goodness my piercing didn't close. Alright, bye.